Need to send money from your Standard Chartered account using their mobile app? Transferring funds on the go is incredibly convenient with the right steps. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to transfer money using the Standard Chartered mobile app. To transfer money, first, open and log in to the Standard Chartered mobile banking app on your smartphone. Navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. You'll then choose the type of transfer you want to make, such as to own account, to other Standard Chartered account, or to other bank account. If you're sending to a new recipient, you'll need to add them as a beneficiary by entering their account number, bank name, and other required details. For existing beneficiaries, simply select them from your list. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and a description if needed. Finally, review all the transfer details carefully, especially the recipient's information and the amount. Confirm the transaction, usually with a one-time password, OTP, or your biometric authentication. The funds will then be processed and transferred. And there you have it. Transferring money via the Standard Chartered app is quick and easy. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.